What's up with it, family? You know who it is, you know what it is. That boy can cook in a place in your face. And today I'm feeling pot roaches, baby. So let's make us a good old fashioned pot roast. And this is all the ingredients we're gonna need to make that happen. And we're gonna start off, let's get this chuck roast seasoned, baby. Make sure you pick you out a nice, good, marbleized chuck roast. So we just gonna generously now, don't be scared, generously season it with salt and pepper on both sides. Flip it over, season the other side generously, just like you seasoned the first side. So like I say, just keep it going. Make sure it's well seasoned on all sides, the edges too. Don't forget the edges, baby. This is a thick cut of meat, and it's gonna take a little bit to get that flavor in there. So make sure we season it well and generously till it look like this right here. Look at that. Yeah, look at that. That's gonna be delicious, baby. Nice, well seasoned chuck roast, baby. Now let's go ahead, get some oil in our pan, allow it to heat. And while it's heating, let's go ahead and check on our potatoes. Let's put them good old mashed, baby. And they working just fine. Let's go ahead and preheat our oven to 300 degrees. Let's get it. 300 now. 300, not 295. 300. Bam. There we go. All right. We got that preheated. Now we're going to sear off our chuck roast. Look at that. Yeah. Get it in the pan. We're going to get us a nice crispy sear on it. Yeah. Like that. Come on now. Let me. Oh, it's a little bit hard with these tongs, but we're going to work it out. We're going to make it happen. There we go. We got it in now. So we're going to sear the other side just like we seared the first side. Get a nice, good sear on there. They look like that right there, baby. Yeah, nice, good sear. Now we're going to transfer it to our baking dish. Hit our pan with some more olive oil. Drop our onions in there. Drop our carrots in there. We're also going to drop the potatoes in there. I know you don't see it. I added them later. But at this point, you want to drop your potatoes in there as well. And just saute that down for about a minute, 2 minutes. Now we're going to add our Worcestershire sauce in there. Let's get it in there. Start the deglazing process. And just mix it up a little bit. Continue to deglaze. We're going to go ahead and add our beef paste in there. Let's get that in there. That's that flavor right there. That's that flavor. So we're just going to mix that up. Make sure our veggies are well coated with this beef paste we have right here. So just continue to mix it up. Make sure everything is seasoned and flavored, baby. You know what I'm talking about? All right, now we're going to really deglaze it. Let's hit it with a cup and a half of beef broth. Let's get it all in there, baby. Just get it all in there. There we go. We just gonna mix everything in, mix it up, mix it in, just like that. It's starting to take form, baby. And as you can see, I'm adding my potatoes later, but you already heard me what I said the first time. Add them at the sauteing process. But anyway, we're done with all that. There's that, and there's that meat. We just gonna pour that delicious broth over that chuck roast, baby. And make sure your meat is covered. And now we're just gonna spread everything out. Spread it out. We're gonna pop it in the oven at 300 for 2.5, 3 hours. Put a lid on it. We're gonna close the oven. And let's get our potatoes made up. So let's go ahead and drop us some butter in there. We're gonna hit it with some heavy cream. We're just gonna mash them up a little bit. We're gonna get everything broke down. Let's let this butter get melted while everything is hot. So continue to mash for a little bit. And now we're going to add us some black pepper. We're going to add us some salt, of course. And we're just going to mix it up, baby, till we get the consistency we want. I like mine kind of thick, like this right here. You see what I'm talking about? That's how I like mine. So after an hour and a half, we're going to go ahead and remove our veggies from our roast. You don't want them to become too mushy. You don't want to overcook them. You still want them to have some texture to them. Still a little firmness. So we're going to go ahead and get those out of there. And now let's check for the tenderness of our meat. Stick a fork in it. And as you can see, the whole roast is still kind of turning. So we still got about another hour and a half left. There it is. We done finished cooked it. Check it for tenderness. Check it out. Now we're just gonna shred it. Get us 2 forks and just break it all down as you see right here. So as you can see, we got our roast broke down. Now let's get our veggies back in there, our potatoes and carrots. And if you notice, I made mashed potatoes. I just like putting potatoes in my roast. That's how I grew up cooking it. So I'm just used to that. But I still eat my potatoes with my roast, my carrots, and my mashed potatoes. So don't judge me. That's just how I do. That's just what I'm used to. But you can omit the mashed potatoes or you can omit the potatoes in your roast. Whichever one you want to do, it's your world. But there it is right there. That's the pot roast, family. Yeah, all done. All done. It's that pot roast, baby. Yeah, let's taste it. So tender, so flavorful, just downright delicious, baby. All right, family. If you like this video, found value in it, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, share it with your people. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you know what we're doing, when we're doing it. And also, check out your boy playlist. Get your little binge watch session on, about a 30 minute little binge watch of your boy best and favorite recipes. That boy can cook out the place, out your face. Till the next time, I'm gone. Yeah.